Hello everyone, myself Nisarg Patel, D22CE170. So today I am presenting Thunderbolt 3 port. So in this video I will be covering around the introduction of the Thunderbolt 3 port, evolution of the Thunderbolt technology, after that benefits of using Thunderbolt 3, and we will be comparing the Thunderbolt 3 with USB-C connector, and after that we will be exploring the architecture of the Thunderbolt. Moving forward to introduction of the Thunderbolt is like the Thunderbolt is the fastest port till now. This remarkable technology was introduced in 2011 by Intel in collaboration with Apple. Under the name Lightpeak, Thunderbolt 3 is a type of the port that allows for high speed data transfer and charging capabilities. One of the key benefits of Thunderbolt 3 is its ability to transfer data at speeds up to 40 Gbps, which is 4 times faster than the latest USB version 3.1. It also supports dual 4K displays and can provide up to 100 watt for power delivery. Talking of the evolution of Thunderbolt technology, the first iteration of Thunderbolt technology was introduced in 2011 and was capable of the data transferring speeds up to 10 gigabits per second. It was later upgraded to Thunderbolt 2 in 2013, which doubled the speed to 20 Gbps. So in this timeline chart, where in 1996 the USB Type A and Type B was started playing on the market. After the 2000 many port launched, and after the exact 11 years Thunderbolt came into picture, firstly launched in the Thunderbolt generation 1. After just 2 years Thunderbolt 2 came up with just double speed, from going from 10 Gbps to 20 Gbps. And now on the 2014 new version of the USB came up with USB-C. This is important because it is widely used nowadays in all of the type of peripheral connections, like moving from mobiles to laptops, and it replaces the all conventional USBs and other ports with very compact size. Okay, so because of its very usable feature, the Thunderbolt technology adapted in 2015 with a new version of generation 3. Thunderbolt 3 came up with exactly USB-C, but with new more feature packed architecture of Thunderbolt. So Thunderbolt 3 was introduced in back in 2015 and brought significant improvements to the technology. It uses a USB-C connector, which is smaller and more versatile than previous versions. It also supports DisplayPort 1.2 and PCIe 3.0, making it more compatible with a wider range of devices. Benefits of using Thunderbolt 3 is one of the biggest advantage of Thunderbolt 3 is its speed. With data transfer rates up to 40 gigabits per second, it's ideal for transferring the large files quickly and efficiently. So it can be used for transferring the data with gigabits and gigabits of the data very fast without any interruption. Thunderbolt 3 also supports daisy chaining, which means you can connect multiple devices to a single Thunderbolt 3 port chaining. This makes it easier to set up a workstation with multiple monitors, external hard drives or SSDs, or many types of other peripherals combined. If we talk about the comparisons between Thunderbolt 3 versus USB-C, one of the key differences is their speed. USB-C is just limited to a certain amount of speed, but Thunderbolt 3 has gone up to 40 gigabits per second, so it has a drastic vast difference in the speeds of both connectors. While both have same connector, but it is capable to transfer much faster data rates than USB-C normal one. Another key difference is compatibility. If we talk about compatibility of USB-C, it is just limited to a certain amount of just data transferring and basic things. But due to very large amount of features in Thunderbolt, it can extend up to multiple monitors, and it can have charging things. So it has wider range of devices including displays, external GPUs. It can connect with GPU, external GPU for higher GPU needs, and high speed data storage. USB-C on the other hand is commonly used for just charging and basic data transfer. That's it. So here is the example of daisy chaining up to 6 devices through Thunderbolt, and one port can deliver all these at this time is Thunderbolt 3, which can continuously extend the display to another two 4K displays, and simultaneously it can charge the device. It can just transfer the data also. If we talk about architecture and look up how it works, Thunderbolt 3 has a complex architecture that consists of several components such as the Thunderbolt controller, PCIe switches, and USB controllers. The Thunderbolt controller is responsible for managing the data transfer between devices and the host computer. The PCIe switches allow Thunderbolt 3 to support high-performance peripherals by providing direct access to the PCI bus. The USB controllers enable Thunderbolt 3 to support USB devices and protocols. When Thunderbolt 3 uses the PCI Express, PCI, and DisplayPort protocols to transfer data and video signals. PCI is a high-speed serial interface that is commonly used for connecting internal computer components such as graphics cards and solid-state drives (SSDs). By using PCI, Thunderbolt 3 can transfer data at speeds of up to 40 Gbps. DisplayPort is a digital display interface that supports high-resolution video and audio. Thunderbolt 3 uses DisplayPort to support dual 4K displays or a single 5K display. You can use either of any. And DisplayPort also supports HDR, high dynamic range, and HDCP, high bandwidth digital content protection, which are important main features for professional video editing and streaming, which requires high graphics slots also. So thank